Open your banking app. Look at what you spent money on this past month. If you're like 90% of people, you've been busy buying stuff, things that you thought would make you happy, or things you thought would make you look successful. But here is the cold, hard truth. Most of the things in your house are actually silent thieves. They are stealing your future freedom, $1 at a time. Welcome to Mr. Choi's Wealth Desk. Today, we are going back to basics, the most fundamental law of money. The difference between an asset and a liability. Most people get this dead wrong. They think their house is an asset. They think their car is an asset. They think their designer watch is an asset. But if it's taking money out of your pocket every single month, it is not an asset. It's a liability. An asset is something that puts money into your pocket, whether you work or not. Think about that for a second. If you stopped working today, how many things do you own that would keep paying you? For most people, the answer is zero. And that is exactly why you are stuck. You are caught in a cycle of buying liabilities and calling them investments. Let's look at the wealthy flow. When a rich person gets money, the first place that money goes is into assets, stocks, rental properties, businesses, or intellectual property. These assets then generate cash flow, and only then they use that extra cash to buy the luxury items. The rich buy luxuries last. The poor and middle class buy them first. They buy the big TV and the fancy car, using their primary income, leaving nothing left to invest. They are building someone else's empire instead of their own. You need to stop being a consumer. Every dollar you have is like a little soldier. You can either send those soldiers out to bring back more money, or you can kill them on a fancy dinner or a pair of sneakers. Stop killing your soldiers. Start deploying them. True freedom isn't about how much stuff you have. It's about how much time you own. And you only own your time when your assets cover your expenses. If you're ready to stop buying junk and start building a legacy, hit that like button and subscribe. I want to hear from you. What is one liability you're going to stop paying for? Drop it in the comments below. Make your money work for you. I'll see you in the next one.